Grease. The word grease can have different meanings depending on the context. Here are a few common meanings and examples of usage. 1. Grease as a noun. Meaning: grease refers to a thick, oily substance, usually derived from animal or vegetable fats, that is used to lubricate machinery or cooking pans. Example 1. The mechanic applied grease to the squeaky parts of the car to reduce friction. Example 2. I need to add some grease to the baking pan to prevent the cake from sticking. 2. Grease as a verb. Meaning: when used as a verb, grease means to apply or smear with grease. Example 1. He greased the hinges of the door to make it open smoothly. Example 2. Before grilling the burgers, make sure to grease the grill grates to prevent sticking. 3. Grease as slang. Meaning: in informal language, grease can be used as a slang term to describe dishonest or illegal activities, especially in the context of bribery or corruption. Example 1. The politician was accused of greasing the palms of government officials to secure a favorable contract. Example 2. The company was fined for greasing the wheels to gain an unfair advantage in the market. 4. Grease as a movie title. Meaning: Grease is also the title of a popular musical film released in 1978. It tells the story of high school students and their romantic relationships. Example 1. Have you seen the movie Grease? It's a classic musical set in the 1950s. Example 2. My favorite song from Grease is Summer Nights. Remember, the meaning of grease can vary depending on the context, so it's important to consider the surrounding words and the overall context to determine the intended meaning.